Hello and welcome to today's demo on self-service data discovery. I will be showing how a non-technical user, such as yourself, is able to quickly and effortlessly see the data behind conceptual models in order to make more timely business decisions. You only need to know which data sources you want to connect to. Usually, these are already set up in your project, but if they're not, your IT personnel will be able to help furnish you with the connection information. Just as a side, we are able to connect to multiple data sources, including big data sources such as Hadoop, Cassandra, and MongoDB, in addition to all the usual SQL databases. For this demo, we will be using the Universal Model Framework project. You can start at any level in a conceptual model, be it a mission statement, business goal, objective, or strategy. Commonly referred to as planning statements, these statements essentially reflect your business. They can be set up in a hierarchy and typically start with a mission statement that in turn may be broken down into goals, objectives, strategies, and finally, activities. If you do not have these available to you, then you can simply start with a data model. In this demo, we will start with a mission statement. We will be using the relationship management planning statement as our example. As you can see from the hierarchy chart, relationship management encompasses a wide range of planning statements. The Universal Model Framework project contains 8 different mission statements, including this one, which are all comprised of various planning statements organized in a hierarchy. We will be following the highlighted path for relationship management, beginning with its mission statement down to a single strategy, which is identify project relationship profitability. When you search a planning statement or entity, you will be brought to this screen. The tabs on the right will provide you with a breakdown of the statement or entity, which includes its name, composition, a detailed description, the type of planning statement, the ability to share its information, and what the statement links to. For instance, the description of relationship management is identify and report on information pertaining to customer relationships with the enterprise, relationship profitability, and customer development. If you search an entity, the blue box on the left will not be shown. However, with a planning statement, the box will appear showing you any entities that the statement encompasses, along with both its parent statement and any children that it may have. We will now traverse through the statement's children. When a planning statement is selected, a message will pop up asking the user if they wish to display its information. If you select OK, you'll be taken to its breakdown page. In order to continue on to step 2, we must select an entity to continue with. Notice that we are now presented with all the entities that are relative to relationship management. In this example, we are interested in proven business solutions that have been used to manage client relationships. Joining data is extremely useful for finding information about intersecting data that is in 2 different entities. We are going to join business solution together with subject referenced where their ID numbers are equal, so that when looking at solutions, we are able to see what subjects the solution is referencing. This will help us select based on subjects referenced. Step 3 is selecting what information we want returned. We will want to see the description of the business solution, its average cost, the error rate, and its timeliness. Step 4 is adding conditional statements to our search. In this step, we want to add our conditions. You may recall that we want to view which business solutions represents the best potential for managing our relationship in terms of the solution's reliability and its overall timeliness. Therefore, we're only going to want to view business solutions which, historically, have a reliability rate of greater than 90%. And have at least a better than 50% chance of being used in the relationship we are managing at this time. Step 5 will allow us to review what we are searching for, in addition to letting us limit how many results we want, in what way to order them, whether or not we want only distinctive results, and we also have the option to save the query for future use or email our results to someone else in the company for further analysis. We will order the results by error rate. Note, we can also order by cost, business solution description, or timeliness. As you can see, business solutions are returned with their descriptions, cost, timeliness, and error rates. We have the option now to change how we view the results. Say, for instance, you would like to see the cheapest business solution, whereas the other values are not as important. You can then click on the column and it will reorder the data from the least expensive to the most expensive. The same can be done for any column, making the visualization of your data extremely easy.